Starting with the news, 24 hours after the jailbreak in Punjab, the manhunt for dreaded Khalistan terrorist and 5 others has been intensified, while the cops have managed to nab one of the 10 gunmen who stormed the high-security Nabha prison. Punjab ADGP has admitted lapses in the security also, hinting at a conspiracy.
A group gun-toting decoy cop stormed into the Punjab's Nabha Central Jail in the early hours of morning and freed Khalistan Liberation Force Chief Harminder Singh Minto and 5 others.
Entire Punjab and adjoining states continue to remain in state of high alertness after a daring raid, a jailbreak here at Nabha in Punjab. They entered on the pretext of carrying a person, an inmate, to the courts, and thereafter they fired indiscriminately at the people inside, and they managed to take them away. Now this entire jail is in a state of alertness. The police in the investigations have been able to arrest one person called Parminder Singh from Shamli, which is quite far from here in Uttar Pradesh. And the Fortune car which he was using has also been seized, along with a huge cache of arms.
And even as the manhunt is underway, one of the accused, Parvinder Singh, who stormed the jail and aided the inmates in the jailbreak, has been arrested from Shamli in Uttar Pradesh. A Fortuner car, along with huge cache of arms, were also seized. Meanwhile, a Verna car was recovered in Haryana's Kaithal, which was also one of the vehicles used by the terrorists in the jailbreak.
हमें गांव वासियों ने सूचना दी है लगभग पौने 5 बजे सूचना मिली कि हमारे गांव में एक लावारिस गाड़ी खड़ी है जिसका पंजाब का नंबर है। अभी तक गाड़ी लॉक है। गाड़ी को अच्छी तरह से फिंगरप्रिंट टीम से वगैरह चेक करवा करके उसके बाद हम इसको देखेंगे। आगे की नंबर प्लेट जो है वो डबल है। एक नंबर प्लेट के ऊपर दूसरी नंबर प्लेट चिपकी हुई है, जिससे लगता है कि संदिग्ध है इस गाड़ी का नंबर चेंज हुआ है।
Connivance of jail staff is also being probed, as according to sources, SIM cards were provided to inmates and the jail security staff didn't fire at the escapees as they fled from the jail. Meanwhile, high alert has been sounded in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand as intelligence sources say that escaped terrorists and gangsters could be hiding in pre-identified locations in the two states. Bureau Report, India Today.
Meanwhile, the woman who was shot and injured in the aftermath of the jailbreak in Nabha succumbed to her injuries. The 25-year-old unmarried woman, along with another person, was shot by Punjab police in Patiala when they did not stop their car at the barricade. Both of them were in Maruti Swift car on their way to attend a show. In an attempt to do a security check, the cops tried to stop the car. When the car failed to stop, the cops opened fire. Now the question is that the opposition is using this incident to blame the government for the unpreparedness and lax in security measures as well. Some reactions coming in.
ਗੱਡੀ ਤੇ ਰੋਕਣੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੋਲੀ ਚਲਾਣੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤੀ। ਸਾਫ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਬਸ ਕਿ ਚੋਰ ਬਜ਼ਾਰੀ ਬੰਦ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ। ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਮਰਨਾ ਹੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। ਉਹਦੀ ਇੰਨੀ ਬੁਰੀ ਹਾਲਤ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ।
ਪਿੰਡ ਤੋਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਨਾਕਾ ਲਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਨੇ। ਇਧਰੋਂ ਗੱਡੀ ਆਈ ਏ ਨਵਾਂਗੋ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੋਂ। ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਨੇ ਹੱਥ ਮਾਰਿਆ, ਉਹ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਥੋੜੀ ਗੱਡੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਜਾਂ ਕ੍ਰਾਸ ਹੋ ਗਈ, ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ। ਮਗਰ ਉਹ ਗੋਲੀ ਚੱਲੀ ਏ। ਉਹ ਜ਼ਖਮੀ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਲੈ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਚੁੱਕ ਕੇ ਸਮਾਣੇ ਲੈ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਬਗੈਰ ਵਰਦੀ ਤੋਂ। ਹਾਂ ਵਰਦੀ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਬਗੈਰ ਵਰਦੀ 'ਚ ਸਿਵਲ 'ਚ
ਸਮਾਣਾ ਸਾਦਰ ਤੋਂ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਤੇ ਨਾਕਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਜੀ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਨਾਕੇ ਤੇ ਗੱਡੀ ਰੋਕੀ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੱਡੀ ਰੋਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਹਾਂਜੀ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਮੁਲਾਜ਼ਮ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੋਲੀ ਚਲਾਤੀ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ।
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਵਲ 'ਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਆਏ?
ਸਿਵਲ 'ਚ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਆ ਗਿਆ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਫਟਾਫਟ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੋ। ਹਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਆ ਕੇ ਘਰੋਂ ਖੜੇ ਹੀ ਸੀਗੇ।
Meanwhile, the Punjab jailbreak politics is just peaking with the assembly elections around the corner. The breach comes as a huge embarrassment for the Punjab police that has been flagging concerns about terrorists banding together to create disturbance in the state. Politics over the sensational jailbreak is clearly taking a centre stage.
Two dreaded terrorists and 4 gangsters on the loose after the sensational Nabha jailbreak in pole-bound Punjab. But even as intelligence agencies begin probe, Punjab Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal has pointed fingers at Pakistan.
Special task force under the intelligence has been set up to track down these criminals.
As Punjab prepares for probe, the Shiromani Akali Dal, which has faced criticism for being soft towards Khalistan separatists, has lot to answer. The opposition is raising fear of renewed political violence.
Realize the implications of this move. Akalis don't bother. Their job is to win. And they are going to do everything in their power because they know the people are not with them. And now they're going to try and disturb the peace in this manner and use these sort of people.
Being an alarming development. It just points out to the fact that there is absolutely no law and order in Punjab.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, whose Aam Aadmi Party is in the election fray and is emerging as a key player, has gunned for Sukhbir Singh Badal, who also holds the Home Ministry portfolio. With the dreaded terrorists still on loose and the opposition raising fear of political violence, the jailbreak is set to dominate the political landscape in the pole-bound state. Bureau Report, India Today.